It's actually quite a nice day out today. I'm on a mission, going to find some branches, twigs, something to make a wreath. Oh look, I still have a couple roses blooming. I gathered some lily flower stems. They just pull out super easy. And then I see this gray, off-whitish grass strands here as well. So I'm gonna gather up some of those because little clusters of those will look nice in the wreath, I think. Oh, and some pretty yellow ones too. For a little contrast, I'm gonna get some of these pretty reddish brown alder twigs. So these here, I'm probably going to get rid of those flowers and probably keep those brown leaves though. Unwinding this wire from last year's wreath I made with spruce boughs, and once the spruce boughs had all gone brown, I just pulled them out and left the wire to deal with this year. Start, just tie on that. I'll put a link to that spruce bough wreath I made last year in case you'd like to check it out. I'm gonna just I had a bundle here for size. And there'll be some thin, longer stems and a few of the thicker part of the stems. And a bundle about like that I'm going to try first. So this will be my first bundle. And, oh, like about that much. I'm thinking that'll give me a nice outside and some good coverage on the frame here as well. So I'm just going to wrap that tight round, probably like 3 times, space the couple of them out there. And then we're going to leave that like that. Get another bundle. So I've got a couple different colors of wood here. It's a bit burgundy. These are more brown. And I'll lay that out like that. So we're getting some outer part and we're getting the frame covered at the same time. Okay, keep that tight. One more time. Lily stems this time. And I'm just gonna repeat that around. It's much easier with fir or spruce boughs because they have so much more coverage than these little twigs and sticks. Got another little patch here to sort of fill in this area. Snip that. Tie it off. So now do a little maneuvering. The last thing I have to add is this feathery grass I found. And I thought I'll just stick that in here and there. Got a little lighter color, and it's hides some of the wires there that we're showing. A few berries to finish it off. So I hung it out here by my drive and on this pretend fence that my husband made for me to hang things on. And it'll look pretty when the snow comes. Thanks for creating with me.